So we are in the laser room today, and we're having great deals with lasers and with light. When I say light, I mean IPLs. When I say laser, it's lasers. So I want to talk to you today about the microneedling and how great results we had with the microneedling. It is amazing for facelift, it's amazing for neck rejuvenation, it's also amazing for acne scars. So the way this microneedling is working, because if somebody is talking to you about microneedling, this is not just a microneedling, this is the microneedling paired with radiofrequency. So the tip here, which is gold coated, it has so many needles, and those needles are going inside your skin and creating those micro scars, which is making your skin nicer and tighter. This is how you get the lift. Also, we are delivering the radio frequency in different level, so we can go really deep and we can layer all the radio frequency. So the benefit of this microneedling is nowhere close to the microneedling or the dermal rollers that you see anywhere else. This is a device, it's a technology, amazing for acne scars, amazing for fine lines, amazing for facelift, and for neck rejuvenation. Do not miss the discount that we have in the open house. We're having 30% on laser and services and light, and this is the lowest time of the year. There is also a chance that we can pair this one with a PRP, so the benefit of the growth factor with the microneedling, with the radio frequency are tripled. Again, call us. We have 2 weeks sale. This way you guys can come to us, we can consult you, we can have you one-to-one, we can exactly tell you exactly what you need. It's Dr. Boulos Medical Spa at New Market, 905-868-8000. We're counting down. The sale is going to be over November 30. Do not wait to the last minute. We're getting so busy.